Hello everyone. So today we are starting a new unit. It is Unit 8, Acids and Bases. So if we look at our table of contents, zoom in just a little bit. This is what you'll be doing. I know this week is fully virtual for everyone. There are some people that don't know this. If right now you are zoomed way in on your digital notebook watching this video, it's super fuzzy, or you're just not looking at the video, you're just listening. If you put your mouse over the video and click YouTube, it will open this video up in a different tab and you can make it full screen however you need to be able to see it and understand it a little bit better. Okay, so today is Monday. Today you're doing acids versus bases. Tuesday you are naming acids. Wednesday you are naming bases. Thursday you're doing types of acids and bases. Friday you're solving for pH. And then you will come back on Monday unless if they extend it or whatever. Monday we'll do a review. Tuesday will be your lab. And then your test will be on Wednesday. Of course, if you have any questions while we're out with everyone being virtual, let me know. Send me an email, message me on Canvas, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can um, and help you out in any way possible. All right, so our first section is going to be acids versus bases. So we'll go ahead and get started on the note taking. Remember, I don't necessarily stop just for you to write down, because you can pause the video yourself and take as much time as you need to write everything down. So your topic is acids versus bases. Your goal is I can describe the difference between an acid and a base. So properties of an acid. You do need to write these down, but I recommend writing them and putting commas in between instead of doing it bullet point, so that way you don't take up all the space in your notes just on acids. But you need to know acids taste sour, they conduct electricity, they are corrosive, they break down certain substances, and many acids can corrode fabric, skin, and paper. Some acids react strongly with metals, and the pH is less than 7 and it turns blue litmus paper red. So that's just kind of a brief description of what an acid is. Now, your uses of acids, I just want you to write one use down. You do not have to write all these bullet points. But acetic acid is used in vinegar. Citric acid is found in lemons, limes, and oranges. And it's also what's used to make sour candy sour. Ascorbic acid is vitamin C, which our body needs to function. What helps us keep our immunity up. And sulfuric acid is used in the production of fertilizer, steel, paints, and plastics. And then also car batteries have sulfuric acid as well. So what makes an acid an acid? So acid, your vocab word. The definition is an acid is a solution that has an excess of hydrogens or H plus ions. The more H plus ions you have, the more acidic the solution is. You'll also notice a lot of the major acids start off, their compound has hydrogen in the front. Okay, so now we've talked about acids. Let's move on to bases. Feel slippery, taste bitter. They are also corrosive. A lot of people don't know this. A lot of cleaners that break down things are bases. They can conduct electricity, like alkaline batteries. They do not react with metals. The pH is above 7 and it turns red litmus paper blue. So the uses of bases, you only have to write one use down. So bases is what gives soap, ammonia, and many other cleaning products their cleaning power. The OH minus ions interact strongly with certain substances such as dirt and grease. Chalk and oven cleaners are also examples of bases, and your blood is an example of a basic solution. So what is a base? So an acid had H plus ions. A base is a solution that has excess OH minus ions. Another word for base is alkali, and bases are substances that accept hydrogen ions. So for this section in your digital notebook on the next slide, you have a Venn diagram. Based off your notes, and you can research, you need to fill in information that's just pertains to acids, just pertains to bases, and then something that pertains for both. I want at least 5 things in each circle for the Venn diagram in order for you to get full credit for this slide. So if you have any questions on this, let me know and I will be happy to help.